What is happening with y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live. It is finally time to pick up the X3M. We got some gifts right here for my boys. A little care package. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, as you can see. Business is always doing good. Manny's not working, never doing anything, kind of just walking around with the camera, taking photos of his shoes. I'm just messing around. But we are here, guys, to pick up the X3M. It has been a little longer than it should have been, but we did quite a few things to it. So we got a full color change, full color PPF. We got a few adro parts that you guys already seen in one of the previous videos. Obviously, we sent the ECU out, femto unlock. We got some port injection, E85 now. Oh, okay. They pulled up in the Yankee mobile.
It's one of those scratch and sniff.
Loki, I'm gonna get this one right here.
Wait, let me see. Myself or guilty?
They all smell good, no cap.
What's your shirt keep?
Ese güey le
You tell me.
al labio de arriba de este güey.
I love that one. That one
that?
smells good, yeah.
Okay.
That's the black one.
Oh, there's the last one right here.
Oh, this is this.
All right, guys, it's time. Ready to see the X3? Bam! There it is, babe. Woo! Here is the new look of the X3M. This thing looks crazy. The lighting's a little off because it's super bright out there. What we have here is the new dynamic colored PPF from Tech. This is satin metallic blue. And it honestly looks crazy. So yeah, the look I was going for with this was pretty much OEM like F80 CS San Marino frozen blue. And it looks very, very similar. It's crazy how smooth this is, bro. It's almost like it looks like fabric. And as you can see here, we have a new front lip. This was the adro front lip that I picked up. So we have the adro front lip. Unfortunately, they don't make side splitters yet for the X3M. Hopefully they do. I'm gonna try to convince them because that would be really sick to have everything matching. So I still have my side splitters from Legendary Auto Builders, but we do have the rear diffuser from adro. Very nice. The rear diffuser is a full one piece. Looks super sick. Sheesh. So nah, man, this thing looks absolutely like phenomenal. The front end is so mean now. Big ass nose. And it's crazy now that we did stealth on it, I never even noticed these body lines right here. I hardly even noticed this before. It was only these. That's what I love about doing stealth. Everything just pops out. The whole front bumper just stands out more. All these lines. Man, does it feel good to be back in the X3M. I honestly forgot what it feels like to drive this thing. I feel so high up right now, it's crazy. We already pretty much went over the exterior. I'll go back over it a little bit later on, get some better lighting. I really haven't seen this car outside the shop. It's getting a little dark, so maybe tomorrow I'll go out and get some daytime footage, see how it's looking in like direct sunlight. Like I said, I was pretty much going for the frozen CS blue, and honestly, it looks pretty on point. So yeah, man, huge shout out to PQ for doing the PPF on the X3M. It looks crazy. Definitely wanted to go with the stealth look on it just to make the body look a little more aggressive. Wheels are coming soon. It's just a little tough on the wheels just because of the spec. It's not a popular spec. You can't really run aftermarket G8X wheels. They're a little too aggressive. Like even the stock G8X wheels are pretty aggressive for this. And I don't really care for the stock G80 wheels. I really want to keep 21s, but honestly, I'm most likely going to go to 20s just because there's more options. The 21s, in my opinion, look a little better, but there's just not a lot of options when it comes to 21-inch wheels, unless you go like HRE or like something typically like on the expensive side. So that's why I'm kind of just like, I'm not really trying to put $10,000 wheels on this shit. I don't really care that much. So most likely just gonna go to 20s and like a little bit of a meteor tire. Originally, I was just gonna redo the stock wheels all black. I don't really care for how the two-tone silver and black looks on the blue now. I don't have spare wheels to take these off and get them redone, and I don't feel like dropping the car off and waiting a week or two. This thing's already been down long enough, so I need it back. Then as far as performance, we didn't really change too much. We already had the aftermarket mid pipe. We have the catted down pipes. I'm still not catless. Reason why I wanted to stay catted is because I didn't really want the rasp and obviously the smell of the 91 before. But now we have the 85, so I wouldn't really mind going catless. I just think the catted down pipes sound a lot better on this, in my opinion. If I change up the exhaust later, then maybe we'll just go catless at that point. But for now, we're chilling. It's a very, very OEM plus setup. We have the stock manifold that we drilled into and did the port injection. Still running the stock low pressure fuel pump. So if I want to turn it up a little bit more, we're gonna need that low pressure, or that shit's gonna die. Definitely have some fun with it for now, and then maybe in a couple months I'll take it back. We'll do the low pressure fuel pump, probably like a PR stage 2, and then we'll be able to turn it up some more, probably maybe get like close to 800 out of it. It's pretty straightforward. Flex fuel custom tune, port injection, tuned by the GOAT, of course, Samaya. So we are Sam tuned on this one. This thing moves now. I did a few hits earlier when I test drove it. It's definitely a night and day difference from the custom tune I had on the JB4. No lie though, that JB4 custom map I had, the little E30, that shit moved. I was neck and neck with Heads Cam Z06. On a JB4 with a locked ECU, it was putting in work. But yeah, it's a whole different animal now. We're still pretty conservative. He told me if I want to turn it up more, we can. But I definitely got to get that low pressure fuel pump because this one's not going to keep up. I think these are a little bit weaker than the G80 ones. So where it's at right now, probably a solid like low 700, around 700 I would say. Obviously these weigh about 500-600 pounds more than a G80, so you're gonna lose a little power there, but it's still fun fast, bro. Like it still gets down, bro. This thing's gonna be so much fun to bully cars in. Like nobody expects these things to move how they do unless you really truly know about them. And this thing's actually on the Rev 2 controller, so we'll have like a crazy ass launch control in this thing, which I'm not gonna do yet. I want to make this diff bolt last. We're still on the stock diff bolt. If you guys don't know, they fucking break. Like it's very, very common in the X3, X4. Stock power, it's not really a problem, but once you make some more power, the diff bolts snap, they bend. Like your damn near whole rear end will like fall off the car. So I will not be launching it anytime soon. I probably won't be doing any first gear pulls. Second, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to get a diff bolt soon, probably a diff brace as well, and we should be all right. Hey, I want to run something. The TRX need that. I'm trying to gap some low key. And we also did the XHP tune on the trans, so that's a little more aggressive now, a little more snappy. This thing drives pretty much exactly how it did when it was stock. So that's the dope thing about these S58s, man. They love mods and they drive like OEM. I think we might have some smoke. A little M340 with a carbon hood. Got the hit too, dog. The little 4GT is crazy. Damn. It has been about 20 minutes since we had the X3M. B58 dead.
72 hours later.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, hello. Damn, bro, that shit looks so tough. So, we like day 3 with the X3M. Absolutely loving the color. I didn't film anything yesterday because I had to run some errands. But bruh, tell me why I have the worst luck when it comes to putting new shit on a car. As you guys know, we have the brand new adro lip on here. Tell me why one of the cars next to me ran over a box, it flew up, and of course, hit the lip. Not too bad, but I don't know if you guys can see the scuffs. We got one right there, one right here, Scuffed it right here. I'm like, bro, why does this happen like right before I had the chance to even get it PPF'd? I drove the thing twice and something already hit the lip. So today I'm gonna be taking it to my boys over at Premium, and we're gonna be getting the front lip PPF because the adro lip is not cheap, dog. I can't afford to be messing that up and just buying another one. That one, lips are pretty affordable. You could just buy another one, but I ain't buying another one of this one. This lip come off, that shit gonna be off. Valves are closed, by the way. Shit looks hard. The intakes on this sound so crazy, bro. Little. You know what the intakes on this sounds like? It sounds like that turtle that was busting a nut. I can't unhear it. Little turtle nut intakes. I'm weak. Alright guys, here she is in the sunlight. It's a little dirty now because I drove it, but lip got a little scuffed, but it's gonna be full PPF now.
2 hours later.
So here it is, man. Look at that, look at that. Scuffs almost aren't even noticeable. Ah, needed that bad. Now we can happily mob this thing. Damn. That's how they feeling today, huh? The SF? Got a little man in there. Sick. Alright, we're gonna try to get a couple little rolling clips of the X3M. Honestly, the satin looks so sick on it. The vision did not disappoint. Just need to get some wheels on there. We good. The intakes are crazy. Ass. It's like we got the Beamer section over here. So I was gonna end the video with those little rolling clips that we did, but I was like, you know what? I haven't really got too much outside footage of the X3M since I've owned it. I'm gonna head over to Mexico real quick, get you guys some flybys, little intake noises. You know what I'm saying? Well, that was fun. If I'm being honest with you guys, I feel like it's a little bit more fun than the M4. So it might sound very weird. Obviously, the M4 is a lot more sporty. It's just something weird about being in the SUV and being higher up and having like the same platform as an M3 and M4. I don't know. This shit is dope. It's hella fun. As far as what's coming next, definitely wheels. That's definitely going to be next. These just gotta go. I'm not gonna sell them. I'm just gonna throw them in storage. I want to keep the stock wheels. Whenever I take them off, I'll probably just give them to my boy so he can fix all the curb rash. Then we'll redo them black, and I'll just have a nice set of spare 21s. And besides that, we'll probably have a few little things coming too. Some carbon mirror caps. Gonna get these little fender inserts in carbon. We could do a carbon grill, but I might leave them black. They have these in carbon. There's quite a few like carbon things you could buy for this. Huge shout out to PQ for getting this thing PPF'd and custom tuned. She's running flawless. I wasn't scared one bit modifying this thing because, you know, I had the M4 already. I drove that car full E85, full bolt on, low pressure fuel pump for 1.5 years. Not a single problem. On that note, guys, we're gonna be out of here. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.